Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video we are continuing the video word chart tutorial for the cross weave. We are working on row 8. Now my string has gotten short enough that I'm going to tie off. What I'm going to do is first uncross the second bead that I crossed, and now I have one bead on each string. Then I'm going to make my knot. Take the first and I'll do a regular knot and let that come down, and then I like to do a double overhand knot, which is you go through your loop 2 times, bring it down but don't pull tight. Then I go through the bead that I would have crossed or had crossed and uncrossed, and I slip my knot inside the bead. Once it's in there, then I pull tight. And there we have our knot hidden inside of our bead. And then I like to thread back through a couple of sets. That way my string is not butted up right to where the knot is when I clip it off. That's 1 and 2 sets is usually more than enough. Now with this adding of string, we are inside a row. So you would be fine just clipping off your excess string and adding your new string. However, if you were to ever end your string at the end of a row, I would recommend that you leave your string on until you've added a few parts of the next row. That way you know which side you're adding your string to. Because with the word chart tutorials, if you add your string accidentally to the wrong side, the rest of your piece will be upside down to the previous part. So if you are ending at the end of a row, be sure not to clip off your excess string until you've started your next row, and always add your string for your new row on the side where your excess string is. Now, like I said, as we are inside of a row, it is fine to clip off the excess string. And then you'll take your new string and you'll just go through that top bead where you put your knot, and then just bring your 2 ends together, and there you have added your string. Now to find out where you are, the straight edges tell you the row you're on. So 1, 2, 3, you count 2 of them, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then the corner is the same, so that's 7 also. And then 8. So we are on row 8. Then we need to know which set we're on. So the side beads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we want to add number 10. So for adding a set, we want the string coming in towards the previous row, and we'll go through the next side bead. And you want to remember that this is a new string, so it is loose. Now we want our other string. I'm going to add our 2 beads to it. So we need an A followed by a B. We'll let the first one drop down, and with our other string we will cross the second one. Let that first bead fall down. Take our other string, cross the second one, And as this is a new string, we want to make sure to keep our ends together and slide our bead down so that my string got a little twisted here. Now we'll bring our ends together again, slide down it, and there our two strings are the same length, and we are ready to add our next set, which I will do in the next video because it is the last set of a decreasing row, and I want to show you that at the beginning of the video. So I hope to see you there.